We are back at it again here with another video at the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY doing a full transition from the dip area to the rip area today. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 9 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. And just a few minutes after, at 9:30 a.m. at the opening bell, our flow bot sent out a SPY bullish flow. Full strength there on those inflows and 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY doing a full transition, pushing upwards, trying to break through key resistance levels. And we need to talk about what's going on in the charts with the inflow versus outflow and the bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bull indicator at 8:56 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell. And call options went up 200% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition from the dip area, as I like to call it, of white with red borders on 42 vision to bright green bars in the rip area after doing a full transition from yesterday at the rip area to today's pre-market dip area. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY crossing the midpoint here, having inflows dominate again and getting a bull indicator in the second half of the day, canceling yesterday's bear indicator out of the way and getting these inflows to start to dominate again here on the 30-minute chart. Now, when we go ahead and zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could see here, right, that things right now have gone back over the midpoint. We talked about this in yesterday's video, and we talked about the support below 392, 393 area was 390 area, and it fought there all day, right? Hit lows of about 389, bounced off 390, and went back up towards 395, and now it's back above it under a bull indicator, and inflows are back up on the 1 hour chart as well. We definitely want this to stay above it for this bull indicator to continue to reflect with some strength, canceling out this bear indicator and possible continuation of strength of inflows continuing to dominate and having that strength reflect into the chart, right? So that's going to be critical here going into next week. But here we are on the 30-minute with the full transition, guys. This is something to not ignore, because every single time we hit those full transitions from the dip areas. We have not seen a dip area since way back here on March 13th. But yesterday, we did get one in the last 2 days, and it did a full transition back down, back up, and we definitely do not want to ignore it. But inflows are back above. And what is going on within the volatility? Well, when we zoom in and look at this on the 15-minute, we could see here within the volatility that a full transition has happened as well. That happened yesterday from the rip area to the dip area. Hit a dip area today's pre-market again. Full transition back up to the rip area. Bull indicator hit around 390.95. Inflows cross back over. But the one difference on the 15-minute from the 30-minute and the 1 hour is that the inflows are above, but they're red now, guys. Outflows have began. Now, this is going to be crucial to watch in the volatility if it crosses downwards, or could it find support and go from red to green and pull upwards and push even higher, guys. This is going to be crucial in the volatility going into next week and how things react on this lower time frame. Now, what are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside? Well, the first support is going to be 393, guys. That is a crucial level, not that far from where the bull indicator popped up and where inflows continued higher. But the next level below that, if these outflows were to begin and cross the midpoint, that would be below 393. It comes down to 390, guys. That's where the big support was. Double bottomed here and went higher. And not only that, if it affects these outflows that are beginning to cross to the downside on the 15-minute, because if it does cross downwards, this could quickly start to reflect into the chart, and it could possibly cancel out this bull indicator with a possible bear indicator, and I would not ignore that, and that could possibly roll over into the 30-minute as well, canceling out this bull indicator in the process with a possible bear indicator. So definitely something to watch. Now, if 390 gets broken through, the next support is 387, and then I'm watching 385. Now, to the upside, if these inflows could be strong on the 30-minute, stay above the midpoint, same thing here on the 1 hour, continue strong, hold their bull indicators. Well, I would like to see the 30-minute hold strong and the 15-minute pull upwards away from the midpoint, change from red to green, continue to reflect that strength into the chart, and hold above and hold this bull indicator. That's going to be crucial, and continue rolling in that strength into the 30-minute and the 1 hour to pull upwards. And the first resistance would be 400, guys. 399 is where rejected on FOMC day and yesterday, right? In those last two rejections, but 400 is crucial. And then above that comes 402, and then I'm watching 405. These are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. I'm going to watch these bull and bear indicators very carefully and the inflow versus outflow. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.